What's up, guys? How y'all doing today, man? It's just me, JBK, and I'm back with another video. This video is going to SEEZYN. I don't ever know how to really say his name, but this is Juice WRLD's RIP Juice WRLD again. But this is definitely Juice WRLD's one of Juice WRLD's close friends, and I just wanted to be able to, of course, do a song by SEEZYN, because I've done one before, and yeah, so yeah. But this song is called Problem Solver, and yeah, tell me what y'all think about it. I'll say that. Tell me what y'all think about it. Yeah, y'all actually might like this one, because I ain't gonna lie, I was listening to it for a few times, and I just wanted to bring it to y'all, because I think SEEZYN is very underrated, yo. I think he's a very underrated artist as far as making music and how he makes music. So yeah, give it a listen, yo. Let's go. Alright, let's jump into this video. Oh, song. I meant to say song, not video. But let's get it, yo. It's called Problem Solver.
She thought that I was the one the first time that I saw her. She's got a lot of problems, I am the one for solving. You think this shit is a game? Girl, he's a broke boy that won't change.
Hold on, let's go back.
I was the one the first time that I saw her. She's got a lot of problems, I am the one for solving. You think this shit is a game? Girl, he's a broke boy that won't change. I got a lot of racks on me, I'm not afraid to spend it. Spend it, get a bit of ticket.
Yeah, I like that switch. That switch was dope, though. That switch was dope. Listen to that again. Listen to that again. Hold up. That jump was hard.
Get it, gotta go and get it. My racks and my
flow switch was hard.
Jeans, a Mick and Mary ball main jeans. If you got a problem, I can solve it. If you got a problem, I can solve it. You tired of that broke boy? Yeah, you lost it. You doing it all, you look exhausted. If you got a problem, I can solve it. If you got a problem, I can solve it. You tired of that broke boy? Yeah, you lost it. You doing it all, you look exhausted. She thought that I was the one the first time that I saw her. She's got a lot of problems, I am the one for solving. I can't explain the feelings I grew for you. You know my pain is feeling so new.
Okay, alright. I didn't listen up to that part. Or did I? Oh, I don't remember that part though. But that was hard. I like that.
She's got a lot of problems, I am the one for solving. I can't explain the feelings I grew for you. You know
that's dope. I like that.
Can't stay the same, I'm changing for you. Yeah, pills are amazing, but it's nothing on you. Have sex in the hills, just become.
Don't do drugs, guys. Don't pop pills. Don't do none of that, bro. Like, just don't, bro. It's very detrimental to you. It can hurt you in the long run if it doesn't hurt you right then. If you keep going and keep going, and if you're just don't start it in the first place, bro. Like, please, please. And if you already do, slow it down. And if you already do, control yourself. Control what you do. Control how much you take. Just have control on what you do with yourself. That's all. But you know.
I'm always gonna please you. I won't get comfortable. Usually keep my feelings inside, but I show them to you. Yeah, it's your love, it's your touch, it's just something you do. If you got a problem, I can solve it. If you got a problem, I can solve it. You tired?
Correct me if I'm wrong. Is that a piano? Or it's either piano or guitar. One of those two, I think. But I like that little touch to it though. That was hard. Alright, what y'all think about it, bro? My opinion is I really like the song. That's why I brought it to y'all. I'm always bring y'all songs that I like, you know. I'm always bring y'all songs that I like, you know. And I want y'all to definitely go check those songs out. But definitely go check this one out, bro. It'll be down in the description. The link will be down in the description. And again, yo, R.I.P. to Juice WRLD, bro. Yeah, long live Juice WRLD. So I'm probably gonna say that every video, bro. Like, for real. But yeah, go check this video out. I mean, go check this video out. Go check this song out on SoundCloud. Link be down in the description below. Yeah, go check it out. For real. Alright, I'm out.